Hi everyone, this is Prashant. Welcome to Competition Valley. We are still working on factorials. In fact, there were some glitches in our last video, so I'm not sure it abruptly crashed somewhere. So we are continuing from where we left. Okay, so this is a continuation. This is not a new concept video. This is a continuation of what we were doing in the last. So we're doing some question over here. So we were doing like find last two non-zero digits of, let's say, 23 factorial. Okay, so what have we learned as if now? What we need to do, 23 factorial, what we have to do, we have to break it. So we have to break it into what format? 5 into a plus b, I'm sorry, 5a, where a is our quotient and b is our remainder. So what do we have? 5 4 plus 3. So now what we need to do, we need to put it in the form of 12 to the power a factorial, and we need to do 5a plus 1, 5a plus 2, 5a plus 3. We need to do till the time we have 5a plus b. We have reached this one. Okay, so if you mark this value accordingly, we have 12 to the power 4 into 4 factorial into 5a plus 1 is what? 21. 5 into 4 plus 1, so we have 21, we have 22, and then we have 23. So again, 12 4 12 4 is 144 into 144, so you have 36 into 4 factorial is what? 24 into 21 into 22 into 23. So what do we get now? If we see 36 into 24 into 21, so let's multiply 6 24 22 22 23. What do we get now? We get something around 0 4. That's what we should get. Okay, you can multiply it and you will see this value coming from. The important thing is that we should know how we have reached to this value. This is what we have done. We'll do yet another question. We'll do one more question. So let's say find the last two. Find the last two non-zero digits of 19 factorial. So what do we know? 19 factorial is what? Try doing it on your own. 5 3 plus 4, so a equal to 3, b equal to 4, so 12. We have 3 factorial, 5 into 3 plus 4, 5a plus b, that's where we get it. So what do we have? 12 144, 144 and 12 is what? Transition 28 I before 2028, and yes, so 8 28. So this is what we have, 28 into 6 into 19. 6 into 19 is what? 6 into 19 is I'm doing some mistake or what? I have 53 plus, oh yes, there's a mistake, sorry. Hang on. Okay, so it should be 3 factorial, and then what do we have? 5a plus b, that's what we need to do now. So before that, oh hang on, before that we have to do 5 into 3 plus 1, 5 into 3 plus 2, 5 into 3 plus 3, and 5 into 3 plus 4. Why? Because what does the formula say? Formula says 12 to the power a factorial, and then 5a plus 1, 5a plus b, 5a plus 2, 5a plus 3. We got to go till the time we reach 5a plus b. So that's how we have reached 5a plus b over here. So coming back over here, so we have 28 into 6 into 16 into 17 into 18 into 19. So again we have to do multiply. So if you multiplied 1696 7 30, yes, so it should be around last will be 24, I believe, should be the answer. You can do it, you can multiply it on your own. For shortcuts, shortcut multiply multiplication. I'll make another video, separate video, wherein we'll be using Vedic techniques and other techniques wherein we can reduce this multiplication very quickly. So it should be this. Just check it on your own. Now, if you have understood, we'll do some other questions as well. The question is, find the rightmost digit of 933 factorial. Again, looks difficult, but isn't it simply what we know? Okay, again, rightmost non-zero digit. Okay, digit of 933 factorial. If we take over here, so what do we get? What do we get? 1833 is 33, 6. Then what do you get? 3, 7. Then what do we get? 5, 7, and 1. So what do we have? 186 plus 37 plus 7 plus 1. So 37 plus 1, 186 plus 45. So the 232 digit would be the non-zero digit from the right. Okay, in fact the question should be different. I'll just rephrase it. Okay, the question should be different. It should be which, or find the digit, whatever, which digit from the right end of 933 factorial is the first non-zero digit. Okay, that's how the question should be. So you can simply do 186, then 36, then 7, then 1. It would come 186 plus 45, sir. So see, now 933 has 231 zeros. 933 factorial has 231 trailing zeros. Okay, so let's say 933 factorial, if we find, it would have some numbers. Let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, any numbers it would have, plus it would have 231 zeros. So after all these zeros, what term would be the first non-zero? So it would be the 232nd term, because you have 231 zeros following, and then you have the 232nd term. So let's say if you have 8, 5, 6, 9, 0. So if 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So if I ask you what is the first non-zero digit, which term? So you'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 zeros. So 7th term. So the 7th digit is the first non-zero digit. Similarly, in 933 factorial, if we just keep solving it, we'll find there are 231 zeros. So 232nd term would be the first non-zero number over there. Okay, we'll do another question. Again, in which position from the right is the first non-zero digit present in 334 factorial? It's very simple. First find how many zeros do we have, and 66 I believe. Then you have 13, 2, yeah, 13 to 15. 66 plus 15 is 81. So you have 81 trailing zeros. So what would be the first non-zero? 82nd term. That's very easy. If you want, we can do another question. In same question, we can say in which position from the right is the first non-zero for 250. For 250, it will be the same. So basically, don't worry about the answer at all. Just understand the concept, what we're trying to do over here. Okay, so you have 62 zeros, so it will be 63rd term would be non-zero. So that's what we need to learn. Okay, so in this video, when I say in this video, the last video as well that crashed, what did we learn? We learned finding what did we, yeah, we learned finding right most non-zero digit. How we did it? 5a plus b. Then there were two for smaller numbers. For smaller numbers we did a different way, and for larger numbers we did a different way. So 2a, a factorial, b factorial, whereas a is quotient and b is remainder. Over here we did 4a, a factorial, b factorial, the same. And then what did we find? We find second most from the last two numbers, second rightmost, I would say, rightmost non-zero digit. So again, for this same, over here in large number you have 25a plus b. Okay, just you have 25 over here. This is 25a plus b. And second most, what did we do? We do the same, 5a plus b, and then we put it in 12 to the power a factorial, 5a plus 1, 5a plus 2, 5a plus 3, keep going till the time we reach 5a plus b. That's what we learned. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, and we will be uploading a couple of more videos on this factorial, and then we will be done with factorial. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and hope you would have loved it. Just leave your comments, and if you need to know anything more about it, you can simply write in the comment, or you can send me an email. Thank you. Bye.